Hello and welcome to this course where we're going to look at animation and using AI tools and generated content. There's going to be 3 different levels, different projects throughout this course, and each one is going to get slightly more advanced, use slightly different tools, but a lot of the tools will also be reused throughout the course. For example, we're going to rely heavily on ChatGPT, and we're going to rely heavily on this AIPM tool, ChatGPT prompts, for example, and we'll be using that throughout every single project that we use. The majority of the tools that we're going to use are free or very, very low cost, and I've done that on purpose. There are much more advanced tools out there that are quite expensive. I've tried to steer away from those as much as possible. As I say, there are 3 different projects that we walk through, and each one will be an opportunity for you to develop your own work and to show that off to the rest of the community. So I'm really excited to sort of see what projects come out of this. I'm hoping they're going to be a lot better than the ones that I show you on here, because that would be really encouraging. But basically throughout this course, it's going to be sort of over my shoulder. You'll see the process that I go through. You'll see sometimes I'll make mistakes, for example, and go, no, let's do this one again. And that's all part of the learning process, because these tools are so new. AI is such a new phenomenon that is available to us all. We're still learning how to best use them, how to best tweak the various prompts, how to use things like negative prompts, for example. So I'm really excited that you're going to join us on this journey. Also, do share any tools that you found or discovered that may be even better than the ones that I show, and maybe going forward I can update this course with new tools as well. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'm really looking forward to you sharing your work with the whole community and us learning together as we move forward.